Hi everyone, welcome to Ask a Scientist. My name is Sierra and this is my little brother Joey. He's going to be helping me out today with a little part of Curiosity Calls. Curiosity Calls is a new segment where we're just going to do fun at-home experiments that you can do at home too, so they'll always be safe. For today's experiment, you're going to need food coloring. We didn't have any food coloring, so we're improvising with vanilla just to color our water. We also have water. We're using 1/4 cup today, and we also have cornstarch. The amount of cornstarch you need is going to be 1.5 to 2 times as much water, however much you want to use. The original recipe is 1 cup of water to 1.5 to 2 cups of cornstarch, but we're limited with our cornstarch, so we're just going to make do with what we have. So our first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take some of the food coloring, in our case,
dump the whole thing in.
Not the whole thing. We're taking our cornstarch and we're just going to add it into here. I'll bring it up closer. Only a little bit. Then you can watch what happens.
They don't need to see it. It's just, they can see a fire and know what that looks like.
And we're gonna swirl it around a little bit just to give it some color. Okay, we can add a little bit more. Alright, it's kind of cool though how when it goes in, it swirls around like fire, like a smoke. So, then we're gonna take our cornstarch and we're gonna start with 1/2 cup. So this is 1/4 cup.
Dump the whole thing in.
Yeah. Alright, let's see here. It's gonna get a little messy. Start with that there. And we're just gonna mix that. Well, that's our first cup.
And now 3
Our
more.
second 1/4 cup here.
300 more now.
Alright, maybe I should have gotten a spoon, huh?
I don't know.
See, we'll mix it together. Just improvise with the back of the cup here. Alright, this is pretty cool. Have you ever done anything like this
No,
in
no.
your science classes? Okay.
No.
It's a little messy, so wear things that you don't care about getting dirty.
I've only done one thing that exploded once.
One thing that exploded?
Yeah, I
what was it?
I forgot.
Alright, so I'm going to bring this up to the camera and show you what it looks like here. Move it around, it's just moving kind of like thick liquid, right? All wet, moving around. You want to go ahead and hold it and move it around? Okay, now go ahead and set it down. And now take your fingers and jab it. Poke the water. Poke it pretty hard.
With my fingers?
Yep.
Why?
Just try it.
But that's hard!
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
It's sick.
And then go ahead and, stick your finger on it and then let it sink in. And then try to pull it out real fast. Just acts like normal liquid, but then poke it and nothing happens. Then let your fingers sink into it. It's almost like quicksand. Well, that concludes our experiment for today. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and make any comments down below. If you've done something like this at home, let us know how it went. Otherwise, we will see you in our next video. Bye!
Boy. I want to do that. That's perfect. But look, it looks like a mini traffic together.